Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the specific Google account you want to remove from other sites. This makes changes authoritative. Once signed in, go to the security section in your Google account and open third-party apps with account access so you can see where your credentials are used. Make sure to review the list and identify the unwanted website entries. This helps you avoid revoking legitimate services. If you spot OAuth or site-specific apps, note their name and access level before proceeding to removal. Now you will remove access. Click the unwanted site entry and choose Remove Access so Google revokes its token. Once done, sign out of that site and clear your browser cookies for that domain to ensure no residual sessions persist. If the site uses its own account link, also disconnect from within the site's account settings and change your Google password to invalidate old tokens. Make sure to record the site names and times in case you need to follow up with support. Finish by auditing. Review your devices and recent security events to confirm no unexpected logins. This validates removal. If the site still shows your account, change your Google password and enable two-step verification to force token expiration and improve security. Make sure to notify the website's support with the recorded details if tokens remain active after these steps. One troubleshooting tip: if automatic revocation fails, revoke sessions and app passwords from Google.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.